Welcome to Woman of Ambition, and on this channel we discuss a lot about personal development, woman empowerment, and altogether just getting information on how to level up our lives, because sis, it's about to be 2022 and we need to level up and do bigger and better things, okay? And we can't do that without having the proper information that we need, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys a few business grants for women that you guys can apply for today, and hopefully you guys can get this little money because it is important, especially with the whole COVID thing still going on, and just generally, we need some monies. We need some help. Some of us need some help to get this money, so it's very important for us to find these grants, loans, anything. Okay guys, so I decided to get a little closer just so that I can be more up close and personal with you guys, and yeah, and also don't judge. I can't see, so I have my laptop and I'm just gonna read off to you guys what I have here on my notes. Okay, so the first grant that we're going to be discussing is called the Tory Burch Foundation, and this foundation is mainly to help women lead, grow, and scale their business. Okay, and the winners of the Tory Burch grant will receive 1-year fellowship, which will include virtual education workshops and incentives to grow your business. So they'll basically be helping you with your business. After you receive the grant, they'll help you with your business. You will also receive access to an online community where you can connect and share ideas, and that is called the Premier Peer Network. You'll also receive $5,000 cash grant and also a trip to the Tory Burch office in New York City for workshops and network events. Y'all can't tell me that is lit. Come on, that's so lit. Like, no matter where you are, you will be able to basically come to New York. Well, I'm saying come because I'm very close to New York. You will be able to come to New York and just be a part of their fellowship. Like, that is so dope. Okay, and to qualify, you should be a woman identifying entrepreneur who owns 51% or more of the registered business. So meaning you have to be the sole owner of the company, or the owner who owns most of the company. Okay, you must be 20 years or older, proficient in English, be a legal resident of the 50 states of the United States, the District of Columbia and its territories. Your business criteria must meet as follows. So your business must be a for-profit from any industry, at least 1 to 5 years in business, generating at least $75,000, and also formed and registered in the United States, of course, because this grant is for American businesses for women. Okay, so that is the first one, and I'm just gonna give you guys another one. I had a third one, but that one actually expired and I wasn't sure of that, so I'm just not gonna even give that to you guys. Okay, but the second one is called the SoGal Foundation. And the SoGal Foundation's purpose is to make a small step to progression within the Black business community. Okay, and they give out several 10,000 and 5,000 cash grants to women of color entrepreneurs. Women of the grant will also receive lifetime support from the SoGal Foundation toward their business ventures. Okay, so this foundation will also help you guys scale your business after they've already given you the grant, which is great, because some of us need help when we are either picking up our business, sorry for the horn, when we're either picking up our business from the ground, or if we're just struggling, temporarily. So that is very important. Okay, and to qualify, you should self-identify as a Black woman entrepreneur, have a legal registered business, and have a scalable, high impact solution or idea with the ambition to be the next $1 billion business. And girl, if you are like me, that's what we're on. We're gonna aim for the stars. What Pop Smoke said? We're gonna shoot for the stars and aim for the moon. Okay, so yes, that's what we're on. And of course, I'm going to leave the links down in the description for you guys to check out, so that you guys can, apply for these grants, because like I said earlier, I think it is very important for us to get these grants out and get all the information that we can on them, so that we can, build ourselves up, because that's what this is all about. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck with these grants that I've given you, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. You should also let me know what kind of video you would want me to make next, and I'll be sure to, deliver as much as I can. All right, so thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you guys later.